Bold, innovative, efficient. What is Climhire? That's a hard question. You see, it's hard for me to define something as groundbreakingly innovative as Climhire, but I'll give it a shot. You see, by definition, Climhire is a social media and self-improvement fitness app. The app uses key bits of information, a bit of user input, and a personal rating system to compute a score for you and measure how well you're doing. And it sort of challenges you to best your previous self. But the fun doesn't stop there. You see, Climhire is a multi-user program. It can actually tell you what your friends are climbing, what your maybe your climbing instructor is climbing. It can tell you what people across the world who are using this app are climbing. And it inspires a friendly competition there, and creates a community of climbers where one doesn't really exist yet. But that's just a definition. You see, to me, Climhire extends far beyond just this program, just this app. It's a way to connect to your friends, to meet new people, to really improve as a climber. To me, Climhire is a whole new way of life. It's best to see it in action. First, the system asks for a username and password to associate with your climbs. Don't worry, if you forget your password, you can easily contact the developer to get it back. Then, using a timer, Climhire tracks the time you spend on a climb. Asking for basic user input in the easiest way, Climhire calculates a number on how well you've climbed. Got an error? Don't worry, we've got your back. With its simple interface and friendly error messages, Climhire can be picked up by climbers of any age. The app shows the climbs of everyone who's used it, easily sortable by points or speed, allowing you to see what you can do to improve. Designed in AppLab using JavaScript, Climhire is built by climbers for climbers. We've tested with you, the rock climbing community, and got feedback that we're actively implementing. Climbers have suggested a way to friend people through Facebook integration, or have a method to only view personal climbs. Don't worry, we've heard your desires, all of which will be shipped in the next version. Climhire's central algorithm revolves around parsing through climb grades on the 5-point scale. Using a series of trims and cuts, Climhire isolates the info it needs and returns a graded number based not only on the pure grade, but also taking into account any breaks the user took, if the climb was over or on their on-site, if they completed the climb, and if they thought they did particularly well or poorly on a climb. The code may seem overly complicated for the task, but it is designed to be on the cutting edge and allow for room to work over multiple rating systems in future builds. Climhire, an idea so bold and so innovative, it's what we might call a moonshot. We've pushed the limits of software to produce something truly brilliant, and while we recognize that it hasn't hit the moon yet, it's certainly among the stars. In the first version, Climhire lacks sorting in some aspects of a climb, doesn't allow for friending, and doesn't have all the user-friendly components that we at Climhire would want. Those may sound like failures, but companies learn and grow through trial and error. Wozniak, Jobs, Gates, Zuckerberg. Everyone started where we are today, and we're growing towards a bigger and brighter future. Inspiring, pioneering, Brilliant. Climb higher. Words we hear every day. Motivational. Climb Higher is building a better future for our youth and challenging people to push all the borders of programming and climbing. Let's reach for a better future together. Climb higher. Climb free.